Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today is beauty routine day. Baby girl is about to maintain her steez. I want to try and get my hair done, my nails done, my lashes done. I just basically get a pedicure. Just treating myself to the basic things a baby girl should do. You know, you get money, you know, get money, give yourself that treat, guys. So I'm here, I want to get nails done. I'm spoiled for choice, so I am thinking of doing either acrylics or stick-on, but I think I'll rather go for stick-on because I'm having an event very soon. I don't want it to get in the way, my hands to get into water as often as can be, so I'll just get a stick-on that'll make it easy for me. I'm looking for something very simple, something very natural. Guys, what do you think? Which one should I go for? These colors are nice here, but I think I have not seen what I want. I'm thinking of this one. This one looks very basic and simple. I don't want anything too fancy, anything too colorful. You know, I'd have done acrylics, but I want something very simple, and I would not waste time on it. That would probably just be like 10 minutes and all that. So anyway, so I went for this one. This one stick on. I basically know it will not go for more than fixing will not take more than 10 minutes max, and she's quite fast. So I'm sticking with this one. What do you guys think? Women will like wala. Everything artificial. Our nails, our lashes, everything we want to put on this our small body. So I came at the right time. Yes, so I came at the right time. The salon is still very scanty. Customers are not really jam-packed. So I'm hoping that I'm going to do it in and out. And where girls day can see gossip. I'm already hearing some gist that I'll be loving. I'm doing my hair. I can't wait to sit down and get into it. It is me admiring myself. I'm trying to just show you guys. This is the hair that I'm going to be doing. This is my dye, my lally, original lally. I don't use artificial dye because it cuts the hair. So this is what I've been using for over 3 years now. It's a black lally. It's healthy. Your hair doesn't break, doesn't cut, and you get the effect you want. Black lally. Could have other colors too, but I chose to stick with black to be as natural as possible. Yes, that's the hair. Just check out my length, check out the strength of my hair. It's in cords. I have about 70 strands of hair, by the way. Yes, and I'm liking what I see. It's going slow and steady. I'm not going to stop with this hair till it gets to my after my bum. I always say so every time. Yes, it's healthy. I like it. See me admiring myself. I'm about to get my hair done. I'm about to maintain my baby girl like my steez. You know, I like coming to the salon because then plenty gossip, they go, they flow very well. And this is my pretty. Look at this, my pretty stylist. I like her colored hair, but I can't do this hair because dreads already brings. There's no notion that once you carry your dreads, you are wild as it is. You now color the hair, give fire. Hey, super wild. That's me just saying. That's the belief, but trust me, guys. Those that use dreads, they are as meek and gentle as a lamb. If I do say so myself. But that's my durag. I used to have a lot of hair accessories I used to make my hair. When my hair is old, I just cover the places, the edges up, the front hair up. So yeah, this is the dye itself. Trying to open it. Then we equally have the activator. Just put it there to mix it up, because you just mix it in a little bit of water to go around. I just basically want to you know, put in my hair, basically the front of my hair, not necessarily the roots, the tips and the base of the front. I'm trying to hide my gray hair. Mama no old now, if you get what I mean. So it looks ugly, but it's very effective. It's safe to say, rather than using those artificial dye. Quick story here, guys. I remember the first day I tried this lally. All my hands, my fingers, they were black. Since that day, I told the lady, better wear gloves. If not, hey, you go chop a bar for afternoon. She was just laughing. So this is me here, getting my hair dyed with my pretty stylist, showing her how I do it. I can dye my hair myself too, but you know, sometimes you just want this professional touch. You want them to get to all the roots, all the nooks and crannies of your scalp. So I am in a bid to reduce time in the salon. I told my manicurist to help me do my nails pari passu, so so I don't have to wait too long. So I was getting my hair dyed. She was equally fixing the nails I chose earlier, and she's quite good, honestly speaking. I thought how to massage this my scalp very well, because this gray hair, we know good gray, we must not show say we done the old already. But anyway, guys, you know that gray hair is a gift, it's a blessing from God. It doesn't actually saying that you are old, but here in the divider of this world, they always feel that once you have gray, you don't old already. I know old though, I'm very, very young. Coming wing. Now wow, pain is beauty, beauty is pain. So I have to prepare myself to all this torture and wahala. See them filing my skin, not my nails, or my skin. I will still see put here and still come back and do nails again. You will still open your door will hit your nails. You want to dry blood, you will still go and fix nails again. God nine go help us, honestly speaking. Anyway, guys, so we did here trying to do our beauty routine. We must look pretty and fine for ourselves first of all before I find for another person. I'll be now. This self-care day. It's very important for you to pamper yourself, take care of yourself, give yourself some me time, touch yourself from head to toe. When you finish, you feel like a queen that you are. Don't compromise. 2025, ladies, my ladies in the house, take care of yourself. Give yourself soft touch. Baby girl, like, let them push you go inside for those side chicks. No grief for anybody. my fine stylist. Advice to my girls that like eating their nails: if you are tempted and you don't know how to stop, fix your nails. To stop you eating your nails. As for my friends, I always beg, fix your nails. Oh, must be baby girl. Fix your nails and stop eating your nails like a ruminant animal. So you don't eat your nails. To prevent it, fix the nails. And so by the time you move the fixing, it would have gotten better. Yes, this is my shampoo I use, hair conditioner for my. About to wash the dye off. This is natural dye, natural lali. I don't use artificial dye so that my hair doesn't break or cut out. I shy away from using hair dryer. The heat, it shrinks your dreadlocks, but this day the woman was just begging, madam, let the hair just dry a little bit. So I said, well, just to test the waters. It's been ages I came under the dryer. Let me just see how it goes. So we're back on our nails again. She continued from where she stopped. I had to go and wash mine, so I'm back to the nails now while she's patting my hair dry. So now wow, equipment sharp plenty. Girls around the world, girls we like wahala. One thing I like this beauty shop for is it has a variety of what's it called, customers. I use what customers know. Variety of services. If you want to get your hair done, your nails, your pedicure, your manicure, your lashes, and the good thing again is that you can have a bargaining power. There are different stylists, manicurists, pedicurists, lash beautician for your lashes. So you could always say if you don't do it A, you can always do with B. That's why I come. It's almost like a market place, but enclosed marketplace, different from the street. But I can say it's semi-street because you have the option of choosing who you want to work with. So everybody's always trying to bring their best foot forward and say, madam, patronize me, madam, I'll give you a better offer. That's why I enjoy here and a lot of juicy gossips. You don't say where woman plenty. Gossip go the flow well. So it's pedicure o'clock now. I'm getting my feet pamper, taking care of, soaking it, and this is very therapeutic. I must tell you, if you have migraine, just soak your feet in the water and it will do you a lot of good, and you thank me later. So this is my pedicurist too, in local way. So as they're pulling my leg, they are equally pulling my scalp. Hey, I see when this day, I see what's happen women. Who send those message? For what now? Just to be fine, Abby. It's okay, it's alright. So she's here, moving the cuticles, and after my hair now started twisting again. So I moved on to the person that was twisting my hair again. He came to meet us where we were. So as they were scrubbing my leg and moving all the what do you call them? Scales, if I'm correct. Gachikumato was there pushing and tugging on my hair. Yeah, got my hair done now. Twisted it. See, I look so pretty. I look so different. I look innocent, like a baby. Yes, so Chukuma is quite good on his game. I've been coming here for a while now. I have 2 places I go to, and I think I've shown you guys the first one where I normally go to in one of my videos. This is the bit I go to. I shot to here, and the other. If I want Olowo Madam style, I go to that other shop. And if I want baby girl life, but not so expensive, straight, I come here. You should know when your pocket is heavy, and when your pocket has holes, still maintain steez, but nowhere to come to. You're checking money. Get everything inside one shop. There's a one-stop beauty shop. That's what I like about it. And my feet shining, looking pom-pom. It's Madam Lion. She's sabi very well. You don't take time, you will sleep and snore. Honestly speaking, she will touch all the bones, all the veins, all the muscles on your feet, in your feet, under your feet. Any preposition you want to use, it is good. See this one. See, I go put this one for you to be good. See, I go put that yash for you to be good. See. You see why I say I love coming to this place? No dull moment. You will hear things that will bust you. You will laugh. You will see things that will equally sweep you off your feet. No dull moment in this my beauty shop I come to serve. My hair thick, my nails thick, my feet I can't show you obviously thick. So I'm doing my eyelashes now. Baby girl life. Where is the eyelashes? Now very baby girl life. Pampering day, self-care day. Up to baby girl life. Human hair. Yeah, over to you. See, it's good for the eyes, so you cannot go blind though. Person, beauty and pain. How long will it take? Baby girl's face taking shape. Uju will soon start sorrowing. You say Uju told sorrow. Uju will soon start sorrowing. Small. You see how this one just give us lovely view from back. Wahala. But this my shop, wahala. You go see things in the cost. Guys, check out this side. Different from this side. Things women do to just beautify their faces. Women, we get mind though. What if this woman had poked this my eyes for me? On top of say beauty. We get mind, women, we get mind, honestly speaking. Yeah, so when I see what things we do for beauty, it amazes me. But anyway, as long as it makes us beautiful and the men folks admires us, well, like I say, there's beauty and pain, there's pain and beauty. But we still keep on doing it. So guys, up and about only brings you about adventures, information. This is where to be at. See my eye bags. Baby girl, look. So guys, I have done my hair check, done my nails check, and I have done my eyes check. So baby girl complete. Alright guys.